Good morning, boys and girls. Today, we're going to look at the difference between fiction text and non-fiction text. What's the difference between the fiction books and non-fiction books? Let's look at the key features of a fiction book. First, it tells a story. A fiction book has characters. It has illustrations. And some of the fiction books are written in chapters, and they are usually written in chronological order, meaning the story happens, let's say, in the morning, and then goes to the afternoon, and then the end. Or it has a beginning, the middle, and end of the story. A fiction book tells a story. Boys and girls, can you think of any stories you have read recently? Using the pictures below as clues, think of a book which uses the characters in the story. Go tell your mom or dad. A fiction book has characters. What characters have you read about recently? Now, using the keywords below, can you name any famous book characters? Someone who is evil, scary, brave. Brave like Elsa and Anna. Powerful, ugly, beautiful, giant, magical. Fiction books often include illustrations. As you can see, what illustrations can you see here in this slide? And why do you think books include illustrations? Tell your mommy and daddy the reason why. What do you think? Another feature of a fiction book is that it is written in chapters. Each chapter tells a part of the story. Chapters sometimes end on a cliffhanger to keep the reader interested and to build tension. Chapters often have a common theme, such as time, setting, and characters involved. Now let's see the non-fiction features. The key features of non-fiction books are: non-fiction books tell the reader information. It has a table of contents page. It has glossary. It has index. It has diagrams and labels. And it gives interesting facts. The table of contents page in a non-fiction book lists the sections of information in the book and how to find the information. The reader does not need to read a non-fiction book from front to back. They can pick out the parts which interest them. So you can see at the bottom, table of contents, you can see at the right side there's a number. That is the page number wherein you can find the certain topic or the certain chapter of the book. Another feature of the nonfiction book is the presence of glossary. A nonfiction book includes lots of technical vocabulary linked to the topic. A glossary explains what the technical words mean or what the hard words mean or difficult words. And a glossary is in alphabetical order. A nonfiction book has an index. An index page helps you, the reader, to locate or to find the information quickly. The reader will look for a keyword in the index, like a particular word or topic, and it will tell the reader which page or pages that the word will be found on. An index is also arranged in alphabetical order. A nonfiction book has diagrams and labels. Diagrams and labels are included to help you as a reader understand the information. Labels and arrows are often used to help the reader locate the information quickly. So as you can see at the bottom, the right picture is a girl with labels of body parts. So that is a diagram with labels of body parts. So let's differentiate the features of the fiction and non-fiction books. Let's differentiate them. Can you match these features to the correct genre? Has an index. Yes, it's a non-fiction book feature. Has a glossary? Yes, you're correct, non-fiction. Is written in chapters? It's a feature of a fiction book. Is written in chronological order? It's a fiction book feature. Gives the reader information? Yes, non-fiction. May have illustrations? Fiction books. Tells a story? Correct, fiction books. Last one, has diagrams and labels. Yes, it's a key feature of a non-fiction book. Let's summarize the difference between the fiction and non-fiction books. Fiction books, they are written in chapters, written in chronological order, may have illustrations, and tells a story. It has characters. Non-fiction, it has an index, glossary, gives the reader information, it has diagrams and labels, has table of contents, and it has real pictures. So there you have it, boys and girls, the difference between the fiction and non-fiction books. On our next lesson, we will identify and we will look closely the features of a non-fiction books. Thanks for listening. Bye.